Welcome to our channel, where we help you get ready for your U.S. citizenship journey. In this video, you'll watch a full U.S. citizenship interview, including the personal information questions, English reading and writing tests, and the full civics test with updated questions. This is a real-style mock interview, based on actual USCIS officer questions. So you'll know exactly what to expect at your own interview. Whether you're applying soon or helping a family member, this video is your step-by-step guide to prepare with confidence. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell, so you never miss an important update. Let's begin.
Julian Morrow?
Yes, that's me.
Good afternoon. I'm Officer Charlotte, and I'll be conducting your naturalization interview today.
Hi, officer. It's a pleasure to meet you.
Thank you. Please follow me. Place your belongings on the table and remain standing. I'll need you to swear before we begin the interview. Can you raise your right hand?
Sure.
Do you promise to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, I do.
Thank you. You can put your hand down. Please take a seat.
Thank you.
Do you know what you just promised?
Yes, officer. I promise to tell the truth.
Okay. How are you today?
I'm a little nervous, but I'm fine.
Don't worry. Just answer each question truthfully and clearly. You are under oath today, so everything you say must be true. Do you understand?
Yes, I understand.
Okay. Let's know your personal information. What is your phone number?
My phone number is 646-789-3402.
What is your email address?
My email address is daniel.novak85@gmail.com.
Okay. What is your alien registration number?
My alien registration number is A205-987-421.
Do you have a driver's license?
Yes, I have a New York driver's license, number N74-603-7529, which expires in March 2027.
What is your date of birth?
My date of birth is December 14th, 1985.
Where were you born?
I was born in Prague, Czech Republic.
What is your country of nationality?
My country of nationality is the Czech Republic.
What is your full legal name?
My full legal name is Julian Morrow.
Have you ever used any other names since your birth?
No.
What's your full name?
My full name is Julian Morrow.
Is that the name on your green card?
Yes, the name on my green card is Julian Morrow.
Do you have a nickname?
No.
Have you ever legally changed your name?
No, I have never legally changed my name.
Would you like to legally change your name?
No, I would like to keep my current name.
Do you have a social security number?
Yes, my social security number is 865-92-2207.
What is your height and weight?
My height is 5 feet 10 inches, and my weight is 175 pounds.
What color are your eyes and hair?
My eyes are black, and my hair is also black.
Okay. What is your current marital status?
I am married.
Is your spouse a U.S. citizen?
Yes, she became a U.S. citizen on September 15, 2020.
Okay. When did you get married?
I got married on June 10, 2014.
What is your spouse's full name?
My wife's full name is Anna Moreau.
When and where was she born?
She was born on February 5, 1987, in Brno, Czech Republic.
Okay. Do you have any children?
Yes, we have one child.
What is your child's name and date of birth?
Her name is Emma Moreau. She was born on July 23, 2016, in New York City.
Is your child a U.S. citizen?
Yes, she is a U.S. citizen by birth.
What are your parents' names?
My father's name is Tomas Moreau, and my mother's name is Ivana Moreau.
Where do they live?
They both live in Prague, Czech Republic.
Are they U.S. citizens?
No, they are not U.S. citizens.
When did you come to the United States?
I first came to the United States on February 10, 2013.
Where did you enter?
I entered through John F. Kennedy International Airport in New York.
What type of visa did you have when you entered?
I entered with an F-1 student visa.
What is your religion?
I am Christian.
When did you become a permanent resident?
I became a permanent resident on November 8, 2019.
What languages do you speak?
I speak English and Czech.
Where do you currently live?
I live at 2410 Broadway, Apartment 6B, New York, New York, zip code 10024.
How long have you lived there?
I have lived there since May 2021.
Do you rent or own your home?
We rent our apartment.
Who lives with you?
I live with my wife and our daughter.
What was your previous address?
My previous address was 812 East 13th Street, Apartment 2A, Brooklyn, zip 11230.
How long did you live there?
I lived there from August 2015 to April 2021.
Are you a member of any clubs or organizations?
Yes, only the Czech American Cultural Association.
Okay. Where do you work?
I work at Manhattan Design Studio.
What is your job title?
I am a senior graphic designer.
How long have you worked there?
I have been working there since March 2018.
What is your office address?
The office is at 1450 Broadway, 10th floor, New York, New York 10018.
Where did you work before this job?
Before this, I worked for Digital Europe Limited in Prague as a visual designer.
Okay. Since becoming a permanent resident, have you left the United States?
Yes, I have traveled abroad 4 times in the last 5 years.
Have you ever traveled to a country with travel restrictions or advisory warnings?
No, I have not.
During any of your trips abroad, did you ever engage in illegal activities?
No, never.
Did you always use your green card to re-enter the U.S.?
Yes, always.
Do you have citizenship in any other country?
No, only the Czech Republic.
Have you ever been deported or denied entry to the United States?
No, I have not.
How many total days did you spend outside the U.S. in the past 5 years?
About 60 days, in total.
During your travels abroad, have you ever been detained, questioned, or fined by foreign authorities?
No, never.
Do you have a valid passport?
Yes, I have a Czech Republic passport, issued on September 1, 2021, valid until September 2031.
Can you tell me about your all trips?
Sure. The first trip was to the Czech Republic, from December 20, 2019, to January 6, 2020. The second trip was to Canada, from July 10 to July 18, 2022. The third trip was to the Czech Republic, from August 2 to August 25, 2023. The most recent trip was to Italy, from May 5 to May 15, 2024.
Did any of those trips last more than 6 months?
No, none of them lasted more than 6 months.
During your travels, have you ever experienced legal issues abroad, such as fines or detentions?
No.
Have you ever committed any crime in the U.S. or abroad?
No, I have not.
Have you ever arrested in your home country or any other country outside the United States?
No, never.
Do you have any pending police case in your home country or any other country in the world?
No, I have not.
Have you ever served in the military of a foreign country?
No, officer.
Have you ever encountered situations that required reporting to law enforcement abroad?
No, officer.
Have you ever lied on any immigration application?
No.
Do you file your taxes every year?
Yes, I file my taxes every year, jointly with my wife.
Have you ever received a ticket or fine?
Yes, I received a parking ticket in 2024, which I paid immediately.
Have you ever married someone to get an immigration benefit?
No, my marriage is real.
Were you required to register for selective service?
No, I was already over 26 when I became a permanent resident.
Do you obey U.S. laws?
Yes, always.
Have you ever failed to attend a deportation hearing?
No.
Now we'll move on to the civics test. This part is about U.S. history, government, and some important principles of our Constitution. I'll ask you up to 10 questions, and you need to answer at least 6 correctly to pass. Please answer as clearly as you can. If you do not understand a question, tell me and I will repeat or explain it. Do you have any questions before we start?
No, officer.
Are you ready to begin?
Yes, officer. I am ready.
Okay. Please listen carefully to each question. What did the Declaration of Independence do?
Announced our independence from Great Britain.
Why does the flag have 13 stripes?
Because there were 13 original colonies.
The idea of self-government is in the first 3 words of the Constitution. What are these words?
We, the people.
The House of Representatives has how many voting members?
435.
When is the last day you can send in federal income tax forms?
April 15th.
What is one right or freedom from the First Amendment?
Speech.
Name one of the 2 longest rivers in the United States.
Missouri River.
Name one right only for United States citizens.
Vote in a federal election.
What is freedom of religion?
You can practice any religion, or not practice a religion.
Who was president during World War I?
Woodrow Wilson.
Now, I will go through your N400 application to verify everything is correct. And you filled up your application by fully understanding. Have you ever harmed someone because of race, religion, origin, group, or opinion?
No, never.
Have you ever been charged with a crime?
No, officer.
Have you ever tried to overthrow the U.S. government by unconstitutional means?
No.
Have you ever helped a group that used weapons?
No, never.
Have you ever supported a dictatorship in the U.S. or your home country?
No.
Have you ever supported a group using weapons or explosives?
No, never.
Have you ever forced sexual activity on anyone?
No, officer.
Have you ever been on probation, parole, or had a suspended sentence?
No, I have not.
Have you ever failed to support dependents or pay alimony?
No, officer.
Have you ever falsely claimed to be a U.S. citizen?
No, I have not.
Have you ever been involved in kidnapping, assassination, hijacking, or sabotage?
No.
What is assassination?
Killing an important person.
Have you ever seriously injured or tried to injure anyone?
No, I have not.
Have you ever been a member of any terrorist organization?
No, never.
What is convicted? Have you ever committed a crime or broken the law but not been arrested?
No. I have never committed a crime or broken the law.
Have you ever been removed, excluded, or deported from the U.S.?
No, I have never been deported.
Have you ever served in the military or police of another country?
No, I have not.
Since becoming a resident, have you called yourself a non-resident or not filed taxes?
No, never.
Have you ever worked in a prison or detention place?
No, officer.
Have you ever lied to get public benefits?
No.
Have you ever been arrested, cited, detained, or confined?
No. I have never been arrested.
Have you ever committed assault?
No.
Have you ever taken part in genocide?
No.
Have you ever registered or voted in U.S. elections?
No.
Have you ever married someone only to get immigration benefits?
No. I have never married someone just to get an immigration benefit.
What is immigration benefit?
Legal status, or right, from immigration.
Have you ever given false papers to U.S. officials?
No, never.
Have you ever sold or transport weapons?
No.
Have you ever committed domestic violence, sexual assault, or child abuse?
No, never.
Do you owe any overdue taxes?
No, officer.
Do you support the U.S. Constitution and government?
Yes, I do.
Are you willing to take the oath of allegiance?
Yes, I am willing to.
If required, will you do non-combatant services in the military?
Yes, absolutely.
Are you unable to take the oath because of disability or mental condition?
No, officer.
If required, will you do work of national importance under civilian direction?
Yes, officer.
If required, will you bear arms for the U.S.?
Yes, I will.
Do you understand the oath of allegiance?
Yes.
What is oath of allegiance?
Promise to be loyal to U.S.
Now, we will begin the reading and writing portion of your naturalization test. This part checks your ability to read and write in English. For the reading test, I will show you a few sentences, and you will need to read them aloud correctly. For the writing test, I will ask you to write a few sentences that I dictate to you. You need to read and write each sentence accurately. If you make a mistake, I will give you another chance. Do you understand what you will need to do?
Yes, I understand.
Are you ready to begin?
Yes, I am ready.
Okay. Please read the sentence on the tablet.
What is one right in the Bill of Rights?
Great job. You have passed your reading test.
Thank you, officer.
Now we're going to move on to the writing portion. Please write this sentence. Freedom of speech is one right. Excellent. You have successfully passed both the reading and writing portions of the test.
Thank you, officer.
Let's go over a few questions to know about your moral character. These questions are very important because they help us determine your eligibility for U.S. citizenship. It is important that you answer honestly. Some of these questions may be about crimes, taxes, or organizations. Even if your answer is yes, it does not always mean you cannot become a citizen, but I need you to tell the truth. Remember, you are under oath. So, everything you say must be true. Do you understand?
Yes, I understand.
If you don't understand a question, please let me know and I'll explain that. Okay?
Okay.
Have you ever knowingly submitted false information on an official form?
No, I have not.
Have you ever helped someone immigrate to the U.S. illegally or provide false documentation?
No, never.
Have you ever been called for jury duty?
Not yet.
Have you ever been involved in any traffic accidents where someone was injured?
No.
Have you ever given false or misleading information to any U.S. government official while applying for an immigration benefit or any other official matter?
No. I've always been truthful.
Have you ever received a formal warning or probation from a court or law enforcement agency?
No, I have not.
Have you ever failed to report an incident that should have been reported?
No, I have not.
Do you owe any debts to the government, like student loans or federal fines?
No.
Have you ever committed domestic violence, abuse, or neglect?
No, never.
Have you ever assisted anyone trying to overthrow any government in the United States or your home country?
Absolutely not.
Have you ever faced discrimination or harassment?
No.
Have you ever overstayed outside the United States?
No, officer.
Have you ever helped someone commit fraud or misrepresentation in any official process?
No, never.
Have you ever used false documents for employment, school, or immigration purposes?
No, officer.
Have you ever signed any contracts in the U.S. that caused problems later?
No, officer.
Have you ever intentionally avoided paying debts or financial obligations?
No, I have not.
Have you ever been involved in identity theft or cybercrime?
No.
Have you ever failed to attend a court hearing or immigration appointment without a valid reason?
No.
Have you ever sponsored any relatives for immigration to the United States?
No, officer.
Do you volunteer in your community?
Yes, officer.
Have you ever received public assistance or government benefits?
No, officer.
Have you ever been denied a visa or entry to another country?
No, officer.
Have you ever had conflicts with neighbors, coworkers, or family that escalated to law enforcement involvement?
No, officer.
Do you contribute to your community in any way outside of work?
Yes. I volunteer at local health fairs and participate in neighborhood cleanup events.
Now we will discuss some complex situations to assess your moral character and attachment to the U.S. These questions are very important. It is important that you answer honestly.
Sure.
Have you ever signed legal documents or contracts in another country while being a U.S. permanent resident?
No.
Have you ever financially supported a family member living abroad?
Yes, officer.
Have you ever helped someone legally immigrate to the U.S.?
No, I have not.
Have you ever faced legal issues with property or tenants?
No, I have not.
Have you ever had a family member visit you from abroad for an extended period?
No, officer.
Have you ever experienced an emergency abroad that required contacting U.S. authorities?
No, officer.
Do you believe in equal rights and opportunities for all people, regardless of race, religion, or gender?
Yes, absolutely.
Do you understand that good moral character is required to become a U.S. citizen?
Yes, I understand.
Do you consider yourself a responsible and law-abiding person?
Yes, I do.
Do you respect and obey the laws of the United States?
Yes, absolutely.
Do you have any reservations about the oath?
No, none.
Are you willing to give up allegiance to all other countries, including the Czech Republic?
Yes, I am.
Do you believe you meet that standard of moral character?
Yes, I do.
Do you understand that, after taking the oath, you will become a U.S. citizen?
Yes, I understand.
Do you understand your new rights and responsibilities?
Yes, to vote, obey the law, pay taxes, and serve my community.
Are you ready to defend the Constitution and laws of the United States?
Yes, absolutely.
Do you understand your responsibilities as a U.S. citizen, paying taxes, following laws, serving on a jury if called, and supporting your family?
Yes, I do.
Do you have any questions for me?
No, officer, thanks.
Okay.
Would you like to share anything else?
Yes, I am very proud and grateful to become a U.S. citizen. America has given me great opportunities, safety, and freedom, and I want to give back to this country.
Great.
Do you promise that everything you said is true?
Yes, I promise.
Do you confirm all your answers today are true and complete?
Yes, I confirm.
Congratulations. You have passed your interview. After reviewing your moral character, background, and test results, we will prepare your case for final approval.
Thank you, officer.
You're welcome. You will receive your decision and oath ceremony notice by mail. It was my pleasure to conduct your naturalization interview. You may leave now.
Thank you for your time.
You are welcome.